The CONTI VSM MINI is a compact instrument for checking the initial tension of a range of belt types. The practical transport box contains the user guide, adhesive dots to mount the instrument, the CONTI VSM MINI, and a USB charger cable. A note on the inside of the lid draws attention to the CONTI professional design software that you can use to determine the required frequencies for the CONTI VSM MINI. Apply one of the adhesive dots to the rear of the instrument and attach it to the belt. Ensure that the instrument is not touching any neighboring belts and is mounted in the center of the belt drive. Switch the instrument on by pressing the button next to the display. Next, strike the belt with your hand or a wrench. The instrument now shows the CONTI frequency that you can also find in the calculation protocol in the CONTI Professional app. Please note, since the CONTI VSM MINI is not a contactless measurement system, the frequency differs from that obtained contactlessly, such as with the VSM1 or VSM3. The figure can be converted using CONTI Professional or on our website.